Good morning, everyone. So we're back with another math lesson. We've previously been learning about perimeter, so we're going to continue to do that. We've already learned how to understand perimeter and how to find the perimeter of common shapes. So today we are going to learn how to find the unknown side lengths of a shape when it gives us our perimeter already. So I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller and put myself over here so that you can focus your attention on the solve and share page. This should look familiar to you since we've used it almost every single math lesson that we did at school. So the pen that that's on this software that you write with, it disappears when you're writing. I haven't figured out how to keep it on there. So if you see here, if I write just some stuff, it goes away. So I'm going to try my best, and I hope you can follow along. So I'm going to first read the question, and then we'll solve the shape. So it says, John has 16 feet of wood that he uses to make a sandbox that has 4 sides. So our shape right here. He makes sides with lengths of 6 feet, 5 feet, and 3 feet. What length should he make the 4th side in order to use all 16 feet of the wood? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight up here that we have 16 feet as our full perimeter. So our perimeter is 16 feet. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add up all of the sides that are already measured for us. So I see here that I have 5, 6, and 3, and this side has a question mark. So I know that that's the side that we are trying to find. So what I'm going to do is add them together. So I know that 5 plus 6 plus 3 equals 14. So if you need to write that down or you can do it in your head, whatever is easier for you is fine with me. So again, 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 3 is 14. The next thing is very easy. All I'm going to do is subtract the 14 that I got from my full perimeter, which is 16, to find my question mark. So I'm just going to do 16 minus 14, and I know that that equals 2. So I know that my question mark side equals 2 feet. So this is very simple, and you guys are very smart, so you should catch on pretty quickly. So let's go to the next page. We're going to do 2 different examples, and then I'm going to send you off to do the quick check. So if you see here, number 3, we don't have a word problem, so it just simply tells us that the perimeter is 30 centimeters. So same thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the sides that are already measured for us, and I'm going to add them together. So I know that 12 plus 8 equals 20. And all I'm going to do is subtract that 20 from my full perimeter. So 30 minus 20 equals 10. So I know that my unknown side, and if you see here, it has an X. Any letter or question mark means the same thing. It's an unknown side. So I know that my unknown side here is 10 centimeters. And just like the last 2 lessons, you can't forget to label your answer. So let's go on to number 4. I see here that I have some sides that are measured for me. And I have right here, it says S feet. I know that that's a letter. So I know that I don't know that side. That's my unknown side. So I'm just going to add these ones together. 4 and 4 I know is 8, and 7 and 7 is 14. So I'm going to just add those together. 14 plus 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm going to put my 1 up here. 1, 2. Oh, see, that's what happens. So I know that 14 plus 8 is 22. Sorry about that. All I'm going to do now is subtract the 22 from the 25. So 25 minus 22. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I know the unknown side for this one is 3, and I see my label is feet. So there you go. So remembering your steps, you find the full perimeter, it should give it to you. You look at your shape, you find all the sides that are already measured for you, you add them together. That answer you subtract from your full perimeter and it will give you your unknown side. So hopefully that was easy to follow. Send me an email or text me on the dojo if you need any help, or you can come during office hours. What I need you to do now is go ahead and go to the quick check, which will have problems that look exactly like this. I think there's 4 problems that look exactly like this, of a shape with some sides that are already measured and an unknown side. And then I think there is 1 problem at the end, which is a little bit harder, but I know you guys can do it. You've been doing so awesome, and I'm so proud of you. So I'll see you either in the next video or I'll see you during office hours. Bye.